Hello and welcome to The Weird One. Today's video I thought we would open up all these Walking Dead cards together and see if we've got any nice rare ones or signed ones. There's roughly 24 packets here. I bought them from a lovely guy on eBay and I will put his link down the bottom. He's in America and it worked out for me cheaper to actually import these than it was to buy in the UK. So yay. First of all, I'll show you the packing. Pop this down. Okay, so the packing is nice and shiny, so I apologise for any flashes. This is the AMC The Walking Dead Trading Cards, Season 3, Part 1. There is obviously Seasons 1 and 2. I don't have those. These are my first cards. And as you can see, based on the hit AMC TV series. And he's in his iconic pose. There we go. And then you've got bits down the bottom, who makes it, and look for randomly inserted autograph, wardrobe and sketch cards. So fingers crossed everyone that we can find something nice. I like the wardrobe cards, and then the back has all the details. 12 plus, and it says about looking for the autograph cards and the wardrobe cards, and it's got the ratios. So quick read there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these all to one side. I'm then going to cut them all open without pulling the cards out to try and save some time. And then what I'll do is I'll pull out each packet and show you the cards, so you'll see them as I see them. So I'm just going to cut them all open. So literally just cut them, put them down. Be careful not to cut the cards doing this. You can open them the back way, which I've seen a lot of people do. Personally, I'm not going to do that. I think this might be a little bit easier, I'm not too sure, but we'll see. Feel free in the comments below to let me know if you collect these. What do you think of them? Do you have any of the nice rarer cards? I myself would like any of the rarer cards. I have been told they also do cards called shallow box cards, which from what I can understand have a cardboard border around them to kind of make them look like pictures. So that should be interesting. I hope you're all out there sending out good vibes so I can get some nice rare cards. I did actually have a viewer private message me and asked where I got my cool lime green scissors to go with my kind of zombie theme with my bracelet. To that person, I can't actually remember where I got these scissors. I've had them for years now, probably since I was in school. So I probably picked them up along the way, probably W.H. Smith's or something. My paracord wristband, if anyone's interested, I just bought on eBay. I think it was about £2.50. Okay, so last few. Fingers crossed I haven't cut into any of the cards. If I have, then my own fault. So in that case, you might suggest opening them from the back, but like I said, I don't really want to do that. Okay, so let's see what we got. Pack 1. Put that to the side. Oh, Daryl. I like Daryl. Put them to the side. Oh no, getting eaten. I will hopefully at the end of this have a full set of the part 1 cards, but we shall see. Daryl again. Glenn. No rare ones as yet, but it's early days. Oh, hang on. It's kind of got a silvery tint to the barbed wire, so we'll leave that to one side. I'm guessing that's a rarer, I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't really collect these normally. I thought I'd have some fun and buy a load and go through them. Oh, if I keep cutting it, these keep falling off. So. Falling off. Okay. Sorry about the light. They kind of get stuck together. Seen that one, I think. As expected, there's going to be a few doubles. Quite a few packets here. That one seems familiar. And that one. Oh, checklist. Seem to be come across a few doubles, but I'm hoping I'll have the collection at least. One double will come out. Lots of Rick and Daryl ones. It's all good. I'm sure I've seen these ones. I'm guessing they just pack, you know, 5 similar cards into each one, and then you just, as you go through the box, hope you get a few different ones. Prism. No rare ones yet. I can see you in the corner not crossing your fingers. Cross them. I quite like season 3 because it's to do with the prison. Even if Rick did go a little bit, yeah. Definitely recognise that one. Daryl with his really cool crossbow. Might frame a few of the doubles, they look quite cool. I'll go through those. No, one stuck there. Oh, no rare ones yet. Kinda sucks. Another checklist. a Shadow Box card, which is what I was mentioning. It's kind of got plastic on the front and cardboard. I guess it's kind of meant to look like a picture. So I'll put that one there. Another checklist. I'm seeing quite a few doubles, unfortunately. Oh, I love it. Boom. Oh, love's young dream. Oh, not doing so well. But hey, this is the risk you take. Where's that boom one? Boom. Stuck together. Down to the last 2 packets. Not looking good. Last packet, people. And I don't see any rare ones, unfortunately. Oh well, that's a shame. But like I said, that is the gamble you take when you buy these mystery packets. You can obviously buy the rarer ones individually on places like eBay, but they do cost you a bomb. Although you can pick up the costume cards from about £10, which are quite cool. So out of 24 packets, I have a pile of cards, which hopefully I will have at least a set. I'll let you know in the descriptions if I do. I got a Shadow Box card and a card with glitter type barbed wire. There's the back. Oh, shadow card. There's the back. As mentioned, I think they're meant to look like pictures. Okay, so I shall let you know in the description if I do get a set or not. I'll probably frame a few of my doubles, particularly the Daryl and Rick ones probably. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.